I heard you had a question. Didn't the last bond say that it would address mechanical, electrical, plumbing, roofs, and parking lots? Yes, it did. But our district has a lot of basic needs that are addressed on a planned, updated cycle of maintenance so that we extend the life of items and replace items as they reach the end of their life cycle. We have 18 facilities, 14 of which are school buildings with over 1.3 million square feet of space. We also have almost 400 acres across our sites. The 2019 bond did not replace all the boilers and chillers in every building, just as it did not repair every parking lot that needs repair. This bond continues our proactive approach to managing our sites so that we ensure that we get the longest life out of our equipment and our physical sites. More information is available at our district website, rockfordschools.org.